It's a very, very good day. Hey! It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very good day. Hey! It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very, very good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very good day. Hey! It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very, very good day. It's a very, very, very good day.
The exit door slide needs to be detached and be used as flotation devices. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions.
Sure you don't want to live stream this?
Oh,
How bleached out you are right now.
I'm positive. Will I feel how fast we're going? Like, what like that? Really? Are you lying?
Sure you don't want to live stream this?
Oh,
How bleached out you are right now.
I'm positive.
We'll trim that later.
I don't want to do this
Why not?
because it's a flying death trap.
Uh-oh. There it goes. We're taxiing. Huh?
We're just gonna go in the air just like that. I don't like it.
I can't believe this is the first time we've taken you on a plane.
I know. Should I make it move?
Well, they get heavier the more ice they get on them.
Oh. Geez, how long does it take to take off?
You see any planes in front of us?
No. Are we off the ground?
Huh?
Are we off the ground yet? We're turning again. Oh my gosh.
It's called taxi.
It's dumb. Do you think an airplane has different gears, like park and like neutral and no reverse? Or do they just like do a loop-de-loop and drive or fly backwards for a little upset? No, wait, they would just never mind. That
Not
was
one of these. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, flight deck captain now speaking. We've got to the end of the runway. Have about a 5-minute delay here. They get a little flow control going.
That's the put your shit pants on light.
Yeah. I don't like this. We're going really fast.
You haven't seen anything yet.
You just get off the ground?
Not yet.
Okay,
Here we
just
go.
go up.
And we're off. That was the landing gear
I
coming up.
don't like it.
See that tire above us?
Yeah. It looks so little.
What do you think?
I like it. As long as we don't crash. Not the-
Slow?
Yeah.
What if we just kind of drop?
I wouldn't like that.
Why not?
Because that's not fun. I did not like that part.
We're not done yet. We're gonna get the real part.
to Dallas-Fort Worth. The local time is 9:21. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until
It's a good day.
Made it.
It's a very, very good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very, very, very good day. It's a good day. It's a good day.
You left before I knew it was recording.
What?
I don't know if it's recording. You took off. I hit the record button. I don't know if it's recording.
Oh. I was gonna make you coffee.
There it is. Okay, so we got here yesterday on the plane. It was like a 14-hour flight, and it's 4 o'clock in the morning here right now, but 10:30 at night.
No,
there.
it's 10:30 a.m.
She wants to be in the block.
Nah.
Okay, so it's 6 hours different.
Yeah.
Anyway, the plane was very interesting, depending on which one you are on. The second plane was a lot longer. There was like 2 kids behind us that like for 8 hours straight kept kicking the back of the chair. I think their mom was trying to stop them, but I wasn't 100% sure. Plus, we were sitting right next to the bathrooms, so the kids would run in front of us, people would walk in front of us, and just kind of switch between one or the other sides of the airplane for the bathrooms, and wait in line, dance around. So back to where I was, people standing next to the bathrooms, dancing. It was only like a 8-hour flight, but you had people like almost jogging up and down the aisles, I think trying to get their exercise in, or I have no clue. Then you had people like doing yoga next to the bathroom too. Pretty sure that one lady probably dropped her anus like right there. It was great. But I've never seen anything like that in my life. Like, I've taken 18-and-a-half-hour flights where everybody just wants to sleep. An 8-hour flight where you got a bunch of, like, I don't want to say yuppies, but maybe millennials is a better word. I don't know. But they just couldn't sit still. Like, all you have to do is sit in your seat. They even give you like these little iPads that like slide up. And I'll probably take video of those or something on the way back, but there's like these little iPads that slide up, and then you can watch any movie you want, like new releases, stuff like that. And I watched like Ready Player One, which just came out on video. And speaking of people that can't just sit still. Anyway, I guess I'm done. I lost my train of thought again.